This tutorial is to explain how to use the touch sensor and how the touch sensor works on the NXT. Your touch sensor is going to look like this. It's got an orange button on the end that you will push in and out, or that if you attach it to a robot it works, because when it's pushed in or out it will have a different value. So whenever you write a program, here's an example on the screen of a touch sensor program. In this case, this line sets up the sensor, and S3 tells you which port to put it in. So in this case, the touch sensor should be in port number 3. It's hard to see, but these are numbered and it should be on port number 3. And once again, clicking at this line, it's named touch. Whatever we name the sensor here in the setup, we must use the same name, same case down in the program itself. Now direct your attention to the bottom. These are called debugger windows, and here we see once again S3, which means it's going to tell us what's going on port 3. And notice that we are at 0. Bring up the camera. Notice that when we push in the button, the value down on the screen is now 1 on S3. Let it go, it's 0. In is 1, out is 0. So this is an example of a digital sensor. Digital sensors can only have values of 0 or 1, depending on the sensor. We'll talk more about how to actually program the touch sensor in the next tutorial.